All right, we are on question 31. We just learned about temperature and averages. So we learned that temperature is the average speed or the average kinetic energy of the molecules. And then we learned that what an average is the typical number for a group of things. So I want you to apply these two ideas to question 31, where it says, what is happening when the air in the school gets warmer? So the temperature is going up. Temperature is the average speed of the molecules. So what happens when the temperature in the air of the school gets warmer? Write your current thoughts in question 31. Okay, so remember that scientists create models to help them explain concepts to others and to clarify their own thinking about a concept. Models are especially helpful in explaining things like molecules that cannot be easily seen. You are going to use a modeling tool to help you show it says principal change and what happens when the air inside Riverdale School gets warmer. So we've got two different sides. This left side is cooler, this right side is warmer. You're going to show the molecules in colder air and the molecules in warmer air. So if you look here, molecule speed, you'll add molecules. If they're cold, there will have lower movement lines. If they're moving faster and warmer, you'll have longer moving lines. So you're going to create a model that shows the difference between warmer air and cooler air. Do not worry about modeling a realistic number of molecules. Real things are made of billions of molecules, which is impossible to draw. Just include 5 or 6 molecules in each side. So you'll need to grab one of the modeling tools from the side of the room and complete that. So question 32, we're going to review the two key differences between the heating systems that you are evaluating. So we've got water temperature and tank size. This one has a smaller tank, but it's hotter at 39 degrees. This has a larger tank, but it's cooler at 30 degrees. So question 32, how are they similar? How are they different? Which one do you think is going to work better based on what you've learned so far? Question 33, what else would you like to know about the heating systems in order to make a more informed decision about which is better between these two? All right, for the next activity, we're going to revisit the anticipation guide to decide whether or not to revise your answers. This is question 34, revisiting. So, temperature is measured. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. Look back at question 1. Do you agree with your initial answer? If you were to revise the statement above to make it more correct or complete, what would you change about it? Okay, question 35. When something heats up, it moves faster. And when something cools down, it moves slower. Look back to your answer on question 1. Do you still agree with your initial answer? If you're going to revise the statement above to make it more correct or complete, what would you change about this statement to make it accurate or more complete? All right, that's it for this video.